Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix pre-auth play integrity verification failed on ChatGPT. If you're getting the pre-auth play integrity verification failed error in ChatGPT, it means your device didn't pass Google Play's integrity checks, often due to being rooted using a custom ROM or running an uncertified or de-Googled Android setup. But don't worry, there is a simple fix that works for most users. First, uninstall ChatGPT from your device, go to your system settings, head into your apps list, and find both the Google Play Store and Google Play services. Force-stop both app, then clear their cache and data. Once that's done, reinstall ChatGPT from the Play Store. After it's installed, launch the app and see if the issue is resolved. If you're still seeing the error, restart your device and repeat the process. In most cases, this clears the verification issue and gets ChatGPT working again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.